Here's a great tip. Use the words should and maybe in all of your client communication. Because here's the reality our clients love vogue phrases. Okay, no, I am absolutely kidding. Here's the reality people buy clarity, not confusion. So ditch the maybe, ditch the will sees, and then be clear and confident because, again, people love clarity. So clients want assurance. So when your words waver, they question everything. Even when the information is solid. So instead of, we should have something by next week, say, I'll follow up with you on Thursday with the update. Okay, simple switch. Or instead of, we might be able to, mm-mm. Let's say, let's get that done by this date. I'll make sure we're back on track. Just make those confident word changes, and your client communication skills will go up and through the roof. You want more information on how to improve your client communication skills? Go to speakpeople.com/speak with your client.